So I'm on the second to last section and everything. Just double check I am recording. And yeah, so I'm getting there. So yeah, do a bit talky and then I can get this kick finished, get it all done and dusted and get it uploaded, and if you've edited, uploaded, blah blah. So yeah, I just in case those of you who haven't seen this or like people who haven't, like, not my regular watchers, hasn't seen it, but I've point of recording this video, I uploaded a Advent calendar kit onto my channel from Diamond Plate in Dutchland. So yeah, really fun video to record and everything. I haven't put my ring light as bright today because all week I've been suffering from headaches, and I mean all week long. I think I need to get my eyes tested. So yeah, I think I need to get my eyes tested so I can get, I think maybe I might need new glasses or something. My glasses are knackered anyway, so I can't remember last time I got my eyes tested. Because, you know, COVID hit and all that, and it just never happened. So yeah, I need to get that done. And I think what I'll do instead, well, I don't know about anyone else, but when you go to the opticians, it's so expensive to get glasses. Even if you go for the cheap, you know, the cheap frames, it still costs you over 100 just because of the lenses. So I think I'm going to just get the prescription. I think I'd rather just pay for the eye test, get the prescription, and then just order the glasses online. Because quite often, like, you pay like next to nothing for these glasses online, and you get the lenses included. So it's a no-brainer, really. So I'm going to look into it. So let me know, like, in your comments if you do that, if you get buy your glasses online instead of in the opticians, because I don't know about anyone else, but I find them so expensive. Really, really silly expensive. So yeah. Yeah, let me know if you do that. If you get them done, you know, buy them online instead, you know. But that's what I'm thinking about doing instead, buying them online. And then instead of in the opticians, because they're the ridiculous prices they charge. So you're talking about over £100 even when you buy a cheap pair of glasses. So I'm like, I might as well just get the prescription from the opticians and just order them online myself. I think it'd be easier. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm planning on doing. So I do need to get my eyes tested. I think that's why I'm getting a lot more headaches lately. Because they've been like horrendous. They're getting horrendous. Like all week, every day this week, I've woken up the most horrendous headaches. And it's not fun no more. I know they're not fun anyway, but you know, right. Stop the self-pity, Gemma. You know, the headaches. You'd rather have a headache than a migraine. Because when you have a migraine, it's horrible. But yeah, so yeah, I've got to get my eyes tested. So who started their I hate to say the word, their Christmas shopping? I always start in the summer months and everything. Always start in the summer months because, like, if you can get a bargain, you get bargain, you know. Like, if I could find something that I know someone would love, I always, like, do that. Get, like, you know, bargains and all that. Like, I know they'll like them. So, yeah, that's what I try to start off doing, like, if I see bargains and everything. But I don't always get that many bargains. But if I do, then yeah. But yeah, that's what I tried to do. And I'll buy, like for example, what was it, about a month ago or something. I bought my nephews a what do you call it each? A skateboard to put away for Christmas from the John Lewis website. They were meant to be like 30 odd quid each. I got them for a tenner each, so it's a no-brainer really. They love their skateboards and that, so yeah, that's what I thought. You know, I'll get them a skateboard each and some other bits and pieces, and that'll be their Christmas presents done basically. So yeah. This kit's coming out alright. I kind of wish that some of the drills were brighter. That makes sense. Like some of it's nice and bright, and then it gets really dark on some parts. It would have been nice to see like the whole lot bright and everything. But no, it's a nice kit. Don't get me wrong. Nice and clear print, which is the main thing we like to see, you know. But yeah. Oh God, I did sleep rubbish last night though. So I will be going back to bed soon, and as I've got work tonight. So yeah. What else? I am like, cause like on a Tuesday night, so it'd be like Wednesday morning UK time. It'd be Tuesday evening in America. I've been really enjoying watching like Wanda's lives. She goes on a live on a Tuesday evening normally, and I normally watch my tea break at work. You know, I can't obviously watch the whole thing because I'm at work, but I'll pop in for half an hour and that for the first break and all that. And so yeah, I'll pop in and watch. And I'm thinking about trying to get back into doing a few more lives, because I'm really enjoying watching the Wonders lives. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. So yeah, that's what I might do is try and do a few more. You know, I need to get back into the swing of doing that, because I haven't done them in so long, have I? So yeah. So that's what I'm thinking of doing, is getting back into doing lives. I think that would be good. So yeah, let me know in the old comments if you'd like to see me doing that. I'm actually thinking about maybe I might do it this Saturday, because my sister's away for the weekend. So I might take the boys out for a couple of hours, give my brother-in-law a bit of a break. But then after that, I'll be free. And I'm thinking if I do a live that evening, because my husband will be at work, so that'll keep me busy and occupied. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I might do a live. Obviously, it'll be after this video will be the live. I would have done the live by the time this video goes live. But yeah, just the thought process and everything. My leg's starting to go to sleep because I'm sat funny on it. So yeah, right. So I'm gonna stop. Stop recording normal video and then get cracking. I'm gonna go make another cup of tea. Oh, I think I might do a neck. I'm really sorry, I can't stop yawning. I might do a neck hot water bottle as well. Make sure it's not my neck muscles as well, not playing up. So I'll do that as well. So if it is my neck muscles, the hot water bottle will relax them. So yeah, so I'm going to go and do that and everything, and then go time lapse and get this finished. and I can show you how it is. All right.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. Oh no. All in me, all in me. Ride it out, ride it out. All in me, all in me. All in me, all in me. Ride it out, ride it out. All in me, all in me. When you're coming back, you're calling my phone. I'm being patient, but I'm all alone. Staying faithful until I'll never know when you're coming back around. When you're coming back around, you got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. Ain't right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. You're calling my phone. I'm being patient, but I'm all alone. Staying
And so my Artdot rose is done. I do like how it's come out. I really do. I do, like I said before, I do honestly think they should have made the original image lighter. They should have lightened it up before they rendered it. Because I do think you would have got a lot more greens and all this lot wouldn't have been so dull. So yeah, I think that maybe they should have like lightened it up to make the whole thing, because like all the background, it just seems very dull. And here as well, it's only really here it's nice and bright. So maybe they should have just lightened it up a bit more before they rendered it and made it look a lot better. Did I mess up there? No, it's definitely blue background. I was just thinking this blue here looks really weird. For some, it just doesn't look right. But yeah, like I said, I do think they should have lightened it up a bit before they rendered it. And I think it would have come out a lot nicer. And obviously I did ask Artdot about square drill kits, because they have no square drill kits, and they said they're working on them at the moment. So it'll be interesting to see what they come out with when they come out with it. So yeah, and it is really sparkly. The ABs do look nice. They really do. We've got some ABs here, some here, and some here. So basically just around here and a couple here as well. But yeah, it does look really nice. Really shiny. Their drills are really, really shiny, I do have to say. But yeah, that is it for this video. Yeah, that is it. Yes, Whiskers. That's it for this video, isn't it? You can come and say hello. Come here then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come here. Come on. Come here then. Good. So yeah, so that is it for this video. Let me know down in the old comments of what you think. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Bye everyone.